Are you like me? In HVAC, you're always on the move and can't answer every call.
But I don't worry about missed calls anymore. I went to LeadMazing.com.
Their easy-to-use AI answering service now answers every call and schedules inspections.
Sends texts and follows up instantly. So even when I can't get to the phone, I don't miss the customer.
Setting up was as easy as 1, 2, 3. I selected a plan based on monthly calls, filled out my unique business form, and my LeadMazing's team did the rest. Thanks, LeadMazing.